What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and today I've got the brand new iPad mini 7, and I'm going to be going through the unboxing, the new changes, as well as my initial impressions of what is probably my favorite iPad of all time. And so this is the new and improved iPad mini that finally has an update after a few years, and some of the notable ones include the new and improved A17 processor, as well as compatibility specific for Apple AI. It also works with the Apple Pencil Pro, which is great for anyone who is doing digital art, and slight improvements to the camera as well, in addition to faster transfer speeds via USB Type-C. It also comes in a few different new fun colors, and so I've got it in a blue as well as a space gray. As always, if you guys want to see the Apple coverage as soon as the products are out, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop a like in this video, and leave a comment down below as to what your favorite feature is of the brand new iPad mini 7. So let's go ahead and unbox the blue one right here, and I've got it in the 512 gig with Wi-Fi and cellular, and I find that actually having my smartphone plan also work with my tablet has been really nice because, again, that's something that my laptop does not have. But yeah, here it is. It has like the little mini art on the front, which I think always looks nice. But let's go ahead and unbox it right here. Just gonna peel the tab off. And from there, just lift up the box. And you have the little paper finish right here. And from a hardware standpoint, it is pretty much indistinguishable aside from the different color combinations that you have on this model. But yeah, it's nice to just feel how light it is. I've been using the iPad mini from the previous generation here and there, but not as much lately since the release of the iPad Pros. And there you go. I think for anyone who loves blue, it is a really nice color. I personally think it looks better than like the stronger royal blue. Just nice and subtle to appeal to those who like it. And there you can take a look at the back and the aluminum finish. And here you have the box that says designed by Apple in California. And as you open it up, you do have your braided cable and the charging brick. And in this case, it is a white cable. So yeah, there you have your 30-watt brick. And one of the big new changes for those who use it on this generation of iPad mini is the faster USB-C, but I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna talk more about it. Before we move on though, if you're looking to protect your brand new iPad mini and also take advantage of its compatibility with the Apple Pencil Pro, the best way to do so is to install a Paperlike screen protector right out of the box. And it is the note taker bundle from Paperlike. For starters, the main piece here is the Paperlike Screen Protector 2.1. It is a new and improved version that builds upon an amazing first generation already, and that is a screen protector that replicates the effects of real paper, making it great for any digital artists out there, giving you that little bit of vibration feedback. And thanks to the nano dot technology, it has little beads that simulate the resistance of paper, and it is really good for digital artists. And as you guys have seen in the past, as I've had my floor plan and stuff drawn for a few of my condos, as well as concept images, it is an accessory that some of the best digital artists that I know live by. It also gives your device an anti-glare proponent as well. And on top of that, it also hides fingerprints. When it comes to some of the other accessories in the kit, you guys know I loved the screen cleaner from Paperlike. I have like 3 of these around the office, and what I love about it is that you can just pop it out. It has this little case that keeps your microfiber nice and clean. The solution is built into the element. All I need to do is give my device a few sprays, run the microfiber cloth back and forth using its wide surface, and if there are any areas like spit marks on the screen, then I can just use the corner edge of this to really get it out. And once you are done, just slide it back in here and put it back in your EDC. Last but not least, we've got the pencil grip, and this is like just reminding me of the pencils that I had back in school where you just put the grips on it, have some fun, pick the color that you like, and this right here brings it to your iPad. And so it actually gives you a really good additional grip and support when you're writing, and just holding on it right now, you can see that it has like a nice mold to it that not only makes it easy to pick up and start using right away, you don't have to adjust it, it's actually very versatile, but at the same time, it provides great support for the fingertips. And so I think this is just like a really good accessory. So if you guys want to go and check out Paperlike's note taker bundle for yourself as well, I'm gonna drop a link down below. So let's just go ahead and turn on the iPad and just kind of set it up for the first time, take a look at the menus, and we're also waiting for Apple Intelligence, of course, so that'll be interesting to see. So talking about this upgrade, it has a combination of increased storage at the same price, now at 128 gigs base, which I think is sufficient for a lot of people because I feel like in my personal use, I typically use the iPad traditionally more for multimedia consumption and generally accessing files over the cloud. I also like the fact that it is compatible with the new Apple Pencil because the charging method before was a little bit interesting if you were using the original generation of Apple Pencils. And I would say the biggest change in this generation of iPad mini comes in the chipset. Apple said it is built for Apple Intelligence from the ground up, and it features the A17 processor, which compared to the previous generation found in the A15, it is 30% faster on CPU and 25% faster GPU, thanks to the 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU, as well as the 2x faster neural engine. This gives you support for hardware-accelerated ray tracing, dynamic caching, hardware-accelerated mesh shading, and those are attributed to graphics work, which a lot of times comes down to gaming. I feel like this is a really good iPad for gaming because it is really light and portable, but at the same time, the additional power is going to be welcome for those who plan to do many different tasks on the iPad, maybe even using it to edit some videos in CapCut or Final Cut, but the core of its features are surrounding Apple Intelligence as they refresh the lineup to kind of welcome that new technology in a couple months. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E, which is 2 times faster, Bluetooth 5.3, and the USB-C port is 2 times faster, by giving you a maximum of a 10 gigabits per second transfer speed. And the camera is also going to give you smart HDR4 support and increase dynamic range. So this is just a quick unboxing, setup, and overview of the brand new iPad mini 7. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.